My name is Erick Cabrera, and I work with Nexus IT. I'm one of the technicians that provide support to our clients. And in terms of Earl, my boss and friend, which I consider a good friend, is it's easy to identify myself with him and have a regular one-on-one conversation at any time, obviously when there's time for both of us. And I've known him for many years within the company and outside of the company, but also him as a person, he is the same inside the company and outside the company. And that's one of the reasons why I appreciate Earl as a person and as a boss and a mentor. He has taught me a lot throughout the years, and also we've shared many moments of just success, also failures, but we've learned, and I'm very proud to be part of the Team Nexus, but also to be known personally by Earl and to be a person that can approach him at any moment. He is very approachable, and even though he is the owner of the company and my boss, he still knows that he can be a friend, and I can reach out to him anytime.